Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to delete your battle.net account. So first of all, launch battle.net application on your mobile device. Now once you come here, make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now tap on your profile picture icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now over here, tap on the option of account, and simply you could also tap on the option of this drop down button that you see at the right hand side of the option of account. From here, go ahead and tap on the option of account settings. Once you come to this page, at the bottom you'll see the option of delete account. Tap on it. With that, you will be led to this web page. Now, if you scroll down below, you can see request to remove personal information. One thing you have to note down is that if you proceed further, this request will permanently remove all personal information from your battle.net account. So you can see this includes these following things that will be deleted from your battle.net account. So if you proceed further and continue deletion of your battle.net account, note down that you won't be able to recover your account. So this deletion process is permanent and you won't be able to recover your account. You would have to create a new account for battle.net. Once you go through all these information, tap on this box and then tap on the option of continue. Now you would have to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email address. So you will get a code that will look something like this. Now open the battle.net application and then enter the code over here. Once you have entered the code that has been sent to your email address, simply tap on the option of submit. So after this, your battle.net account will be proceeded for further deletion. Your account will now be permanently deleted. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.